was awesome.
Oh, we need to adjust that steering. Not much steering at all. Oh, what's it doing? We lost it already. Hey, I lost it already.
Really?
It's coming back towards us, right?
I think it's going away. It's to the turn right a little. Can you go up?
I don't have my safe as. It's on safe, so
You go left. Up. I think it's coming back towards us.
something's not right about it wants to keep turning majorly.
That was a lucky save.
It kept turning and turning and turning, so I was like full, with it being unsafe,
Yeah.
it only lets you turn so much.
Right.
So when I was all the way turned one way, it wouldn't turn anymore to bank out of it. So for some reason, in safe mode, it would never let me correct more the other direction to keep it from turning in circles. So it would never let me turn it out of it. I had to let it completely turn around.